In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a singing voice in ElevenLabs V3. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right into it. The first step you want to take is to navigate to the ElevenLabs website. Once you're there, look for the text-to-speech section on the left-hand navigation bar and click on it. This is where you'll open your editor to work on your project. Now that you have the editor open, we need to move on to the next important step. You'll notice a model selector at the top of the workspace. This is where you can choose different voice settings. For our purposes, you want to change your active model to 11v3 alpha. This particular version is designed for high expressiveness and musical phrasing, which is exactly what we need when creating a singing voice. After you've selected the V3 Alpha model, it's time to start typing your script. Go ahead and enter the text you'd like to turn into voice. But here's the exciting part. We need to make some magic happen with your lyrics. When you reach the point in your script where you want the voice to begin singing, you'll need to insert the sing tag right where that singing should start. Right after the tag, type in your lyrics. A little tip here, keep your lyric lines short and simple. This will help ensure that the phrasing comes across as clean and melodious. Now, as we think about how to manage transitions and the overall rhythm of the performance, it's essential to know how to switch back to normal narration. Simply begin a new line of text without the sing tag to get back to regular speech. Be sure to use clear punctuation. Commas and periods will become your best friends. They guide the model's rhythm, which is crucial for achieving that natural musical pacing. This takes us to the next step, generating the audio. Once you're satisfied with your text and the tags are correctly placed, click the Generate button. This action will process your file and create that singing voice. However, don't be surprised if the melody or timing needs a little tweaking. It's quite common. If you find that the flow isn't quite right, don't hesitate to go back. You can tweak your punctuation, make those lines shorter, or even rephrase sections. Once you make these adjustments, run the generation cycle again. This iterative process is key to getting it flowing perfectly. And there you have it. With those steps, you can create a wonderful singing voice using ElevenLabs V3. Remember, the key is to play with your text, pace, and punctuation to get the results you're aiming for. While learning this might take a little practice, the more you experiment, the better you'll become at crafting expressive and melodious voices. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more.